Yo, what's going on, guys? Today's a new video on an unboxing from America. This is from the T-Pain and Milo's Mods. So thank you guys, I really do appreciate it. Every time you guys send me something, it really does help the channel, so yeah, I just like to say that. Taken all the postage labels off so you can't see it, and I've sharpened my knife. The knife everyone complained about, saying that it wasn't sharp enough. It's now sharp enough, guys, as you can see. So as you can see, we've got the packages in there. Bring the camera down just a little bit, just so you can see. In the top, we have a whistle. This is just a test print done by the T-Pain, and it's really nice as well. Just shows the strength quality of his printer and stuff. It's really strong. Like, you can't crush this at all. So nice, and I'm sure it works too. Yep. So pretty cool. Because we were testing the print, he also did something really cool for me. So I also need to grab something. Okay, so I had to grab this, the Outlaw, because this is what the T-Pain printed me a holster for it, using the files from their website, from Dart Zone's website. It's really sturdy. It has some play here, because obviously it's a paddle style holster, but it's really sturdy for what it is, considering it doesn't have to have any bolts, and it's just one piece. It's really good. Obviously the only thing is the writing's been inverted, but that's fine. Really nice fit. Really nice fit, and it locks in. Once it gets to a certain point, it locks on there. Doesn't obviously block the trigger, but you can activate your safety to stop that from happening, so you can't fire it while it's in the holster. But it's got some good retention, as you can see. It really locks in there really good. Obviously when this is on your belt, this won't be so tough to pull out of here. But it's really nice. Honestly, I chose the red just for it to match. It honestly looks like it's a part of it. I'm sure the blast is probably functional with this on there. So really cool design, and it's also, I'm left-handed, so it's been flipped. That's why the writing's inverted, because it's been flipped, so I can actually wear it on my left side and actually use it. It's a really, really nice holster, and I really do appreciate you printing this for me, T-Pain. You see the quality of this. It's just nice, really nice. It fits really snug, not too tight, not too loose either. So it's really good. And I highly recommend printing the holsters out. If you can contact T-Pain, he'll probably print you one if you ask him nicely. So very cool. The next thing in the box is we have the Dart Zone Max Scar Barrel Pack. This was donated to me by Milo. I really appreciate this, Milo. Very nice little kit. They don't sell these in England, and this will obviously help towards the 300 series that I'm doing, and all my other blasters that are pro blasters as well. Yeah, really cool. So expect a review on this on its own. Obviously there've been people already reviewed this, but not anyone from England from what I've seen, so this will be something different from that side of it on YouTube. Last but not least, it's in the box. We have the Dart Zone Max Solo. Brand new in box, as you can see. From, as you know, Tim Spicer, also known as the T-Pain. He donated this one to me as well, because he knew that I cannot get these in England whatsoever, made by Primetime Toys. And I'm hoping that eventually a Dark Zone will start selling in England. But yeah, very cool, and I can't wait to obviously do a video on this separately too. So very, very awesome. I appreciate all the donations, guys. I really appreciate it. It all helps towards the channel, and the little emergency whistle is pretty cute as well. So yeah, thank you so much for the donations, guys. Stay tuned for a full video on all of these things, and yeah, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.